we're going to be discussing the instrument panel. All of you should be able to see this. Let's go ahead and talk about the instrument panel. All cars have this. Doesn't matter if you're in the United States, Asia, China, anywhere. Okay? This is called the instrument panel. Okay? This is your temperature gauge on the left. It tells you how the temperature is in the car. Ideally, you want it in the middle. If it's more to the right to H, you need to shut down your vehicle and get it pulled over. This is your tachometer. This tells you revolutions per 1,000. 1 is 1,000, 2 is 2,000, 3 is 3,000, 4 is 4,000, 5 is 5,000, 6 is 6,000, 7 is 7,000. You need to be aware of this when you're shifting gears or when you're driving along. Don't worry, we're going to go through all of these. And if you have questions, put them in. Number 4 is your odometer. That tells you how many miles are on your vehicle. There's a trip odometer and a daily odometer. Okay? To the right, miles per hour or speedometer, number 8. This tells you how fast you're going. A lot of beginners stare at the speedometer. Don't stare at the speedometer. Look ahead. Aim high. To the right, this is your fuel gauge. This tells you how much fuel is in your vehicle. It's in fourths. If it's all the way to the left to the red, you're about to run out of gas. In the middle is half.